Hello, welcome to eLagan Whiteboard Friday. Today we are going to discuss our due diligence on accounting records and bookkeeping. So, what exactly does accounting due diligence of accounting records mean? So basically, it entails. It's basically, as the name suggests, it's like checking all your accounting records to ensure that you have met all the regulatory requirements, such as meeting the whatever accounting standard disclosures are required, or whatever Companies Act says on certain disclosures and certain aspects, all those have been met. And also to ensure that all the monthly filings, regulatory filings are done within the time or not. And it also gives an insight to the investor whether everything that you have already told him, the accounting records are in line with that or not, or is there something that he must be aware of. So, what is the scope of accounting due diligence? So, basically, the scope would be checking your financial statements, then your accounting software. It would entail you giving them an access so that they can check all the entries in the your accounting book and also see various disclosures and stuff from the financial statements to ensure everything is in line. So, what are the key requirements when someone starts accounting due diligence on accounting records? So, what are the key requirements? The primary and the foremost requirement is to give them the financial statements from inception till date. And the second most important thing is giving unlimited access to your software, so accounting software, so that they could access all the accounting data. And apart from this, all your regulatory filings that has happened over a period from inception till date, like your monthly TDS filings, GST filings, and stuff. And also giving them computations of various taxes that has been done, along with reconciliations, if any, and underlying documents like invoices, vouchers, and all that stuff. So, what is our tip on accounting, due diligence on accounting? So, one tip, a golden tip that is valid for all the due diligences is do not try to hide any data, because missing out on certain filings is still okay and it is still human to do so, but hiding certain facts is something that is not acceptable at all. It could pose us, very serious threat, and it would actually question the integrity of the company, the founders, and also the raise question on the corporate governance of the company. So this is a golden tip. The second tip would be that prior to starting the due diligence, it is always suggested that an internal check is run before giving the data. So it could be possible that, let's say you gave an invoice which has like $100, but the accounting record shows it at 150. So while ultimately you may be able to tally and explain them the difference, but what happens in the process is, since you have not invested that little time at the beginning, this due diligence process would take long and it would ultimately delay your funding by that much amount. So it's a suggestion that always spend some time and get all the records in line, and only then share it with the due diligence team, so that there are no issues which you are not aware of. And well, that is it for today. If you have any questions, do drop an email at hello@eleven.com, and do check our website for open source documents. Thank you.